And here's the first reaction coming in from the BJP. Amid a lot of speculation that Aragiri will be meeting with Amit Shah come November 21st, Tamil Nadu BJP chief L. Murugan has said that if Aragiri comes and joins us, we are ready to welcome him. So the BJP already putting out feelers there for Aragiri to join hands with them. Akshay now joining us live with more details on this. Akshay, interesting development. The BJP saying very clearly they are open to having Aragiri as an ally or a part of the party. What will this really mean for political equations in Tamil Nadu?
Akshita, this will be a very, very interesting political development just ahead of the 2021 state assembly elections, because at the point of time, most of the political analysts have been saying that the DMK and the AIADMK are the first bets for the people of Tamil Nadu. The competition is continuing among the Dravidian parties, and so far as we remember that, in the previous elections, the BJP has not fared much well in the state of Tamil Nadu. They've been having a very low vote share. Even in the Lok Sabha polls, they had less than 3% vote share, and similarly in the previous state assembly election, they had around 5% vote share. So in those trends, currently the new president of the BJP has been trying to establish the party's foothold in the state, and right now he's also said that if Alagiri is willing to join the party, well, they are always welcoming him. And this is a very important move also, because we know that down south Alagiri has a very, very strong hold from around 1980, since his father sent him off to the southern region as the chief of the Southern Front.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.